Hey there, I'm Matt with Govee. If you notice, we do a ton of smart lighting, ton of smart home. We're bringing a lot new to CES, so let me take you around the booth and show you what we have. So first, of course, everyone knows this for home theater lighting. Everyone's talking about AI and everything else. We want to use it, though, in really cool, really interesting ways. So one of those ways, and I'll show you right now, so not only do we do color matching with our home theater lights, but we're taking some of that intelligent tech. And so when you have things in your movie, for example, like explosions, like fireworks, like lightning, we can actually identify that and we can have all of our lights reacting at the same time. So if you actually watch right here, we can actually tell when there's an explosion in your movie. We can have all the lights in the room reacting at the same time. We're also going to do that for lightning, for fireworks. So again, we have our normal reactive color, we have our dream view syncing, but everyone's talking about AI, but we want to use it in really cool ways to really expand the experience like this. So here we go, there's an explosion, and all your lights explode, so it's even more immersive than just normal color tech and color matching. So yeah, I'll show you in the gaming room here. A lot of people know us for our gaming lights, for our creative lights, and we're doing some really cool things. So welcome to our gaming room. That same technology we're using in the TV, we actually have in our AI sync box. So for our gamers, we have our AI sync box. We're updating it to HDMI 2.1. So now you not only have 8K on your TV, we have 4K 120. Again, really cool for games like Apex and Fortnite, Warzone. Not only is reacting to the colors, but it can actually tell specific events in the game. So when you use an object, or when you die, or you kill an enemy, you actually see the lights react to that. And you can actually tune that to how you want the lights to be. See, you're a champion, you see the lights going crazy. And again, with our Dream View syncing, you can have all these lights in the room reacting to what you're doing. Again, talking about intelligence, but in really interesting ways that helps our users. We're integrating AI GC into our app, AI-generated content. But where that's really cool is we already have a lot of lighting scenes. So for example, these panels up here, if you want a Christmas scene or a fun scene, we have a ton of those, and you can also make your own. But with AI GC, you'll literally be able to tell our app, hey, make me an LA Lakers scene, and it will show all those colors. Or make me a Barbie dream house, or a scene based on Tequila Sunrise, and it will make that for you. And things like our curtain light or our new pixel lights we're developing here, you'll literally be able to tell them, I want a cat dunking the basketball, and it will put that on the light. So really cool technology, but again, used in a way that can really benefit our users. People love our neon rope light. It's super creative. We're coming out with a new one, so our neon rope light 2. The really cool thing, not only is it made of softer materials, it's easier to put on the wall, it has a new style clip, we're putting matter into it, but we're also using some of that intelligence. And so previously, when you would put this on your wall and you want to color it in the app, there would be like a single line representing the neon light. You sort of had to tap it and guess where the colors would be. Now, let's say for example you put cats on the wall, you can show it your phone, and that design will literally be in the interface of the app. You can touch the cat ears, the head, and do the coloring. So if you make your name with the neon rope light, it will literally have your name in the app, and you can touch different letters and color it. So really intelligent stuff. So that's some of the new lighting that we're showing off here at CES 2024. We have a new brand called Govee Life, and we're taking all the same stuff. We have our own factory, make everything ourselves. We have humidifiers, air purifiers, even tea kettles. We have a new nugget ice maker we're making. Even fun stuff like our Smart Heater Pro. We actually have lighting on the front of it. That same Dream View system I talked about, you can actually connect it to this, so your heater can be showing the same lights from your home theater and actually react the same time that your TV's reacting. We're also announcing a presence sensor. So not only do we have motion sensors and door and window sensors, we have a new presence sensor that knows when you're in a room or in an area. You can do really fun things. For example, if you're in your home theater, your recessed lights can turn down, the home theater light can turn on, your air purifier can turn on, your heater can move down in temperature. Really cool automated stuff. We want to make stuff that's really easy to use. So you guys saw we're doing a lot with lighting and how lighting and entertainment and TV and gaming can interact. We're doing the same with audio and white noise. So actually really cool with our floor lamps, both with our floor lamp, with our new table lamp, we're actually integrating speakers into it. And so the speakers can play white noise, and the lamp actually, the lights integrate with the white noise. So if it's crickets, you actually see crickets. Stars, you see starlight. That same dream view, you can have the whole entire room reacting to that white light. So again, the interplay of sound and light, we really love exploring that. These are our Glide Music lights. We wanted to do a really cool pattern, but if you actually see, we have a motion sensor above, so when people walk up to it, it actually radiates out. So just another interesting way you can mix our sensors and all of our lighting. So we're also doing a ton of outdoor lighting. We have our Christmas lighting here. The thing that's become really big though, again, our outdoor lighting, things like path lights. If you look up there, we have our permanent outdoor lights that go on the home, Permanent Outdoor Light Pro, and even really creative stuff like our curtain lights. So up here you can see, here's our curtain lights. We actually have 3 of our curtains synced together for one huge scene. You can use these indoors, in your streaming and gaming room. You can even use it outdoors. And so one of the really cool things we've seen this last holidays, people using this on their garage doors. Because the garage door is just sort of staying out there, it's not doing anything. So we've seen people making beautiful Christmas displays, or for their favorite NFL team. Someone for Halloween had text going across saying, you know, we give out full-size candy bars here. So no, our outdoor lights are amazing. But yeah, we've grown so much this past year, ton of different categories, but keeping everything really simple, really high quality, and really expandable. Thank you so much. Thank you. We hope people love what we do, and it's great to get all this great feedback here. So thank you.